Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I got another video for you, and this time we're gonna clean this beautiful ceramic glass cooktop. And by me, or we, I meant my beautiful wife is going to clean it, and I'm going to hold the camera and record it for you. Well, the whole process shouldn't take more than 3 minutes, depending on how dirty your cooktop is. I turned the light off. I think it's better this way. Again, depending on how dirty your cooktop is and what tools you have, results will vary. We purchased this product on Amazon. It's called Cerama Bryte. I'll put the link to the Amazon product in the description, and you can check it out yourself. My wife's been using it for a long time and it works great. We just bought another batch of it because we ran out of the old stuff. Basically, you're just put some of milky product on the top, scrape it off with the scraper that came with it, and just wipe it off when you're done. You know, the thing with these tops is you want to keep them clean, you know, to the point. If you let it go, it's really hard to clean it up. So after each use, if you spill something on it, you certainly want to wipe it off. And if you take care of it, it'll last forever, and it'll look good too. Right? I hope this video helps and help you in some way, and have yourself a awesome day. Go clean some cooktops.